Mikio is now coming forward. Mikio is from JAMSAT and is going to tell us about the JAMSAT proposed ground station, which is interesting because Japan is outside the footprint. So there's going to be some cunning stuff going on about the sounds of it.
Sorry. What is excuse me, how to open the view and slideshow?
Very good. Over to Mikio. Oh, do you want that one or the small one? Just pin that on.
Good afternoon. This is Mikio Mouri from JAMSAT. As you know, Japan is outside of footprint of Phase-4A, but conclusion. RAST, the Radio Amateur Society of Thailand, and JAMSAT are working together to realize ground station to capture Phase-4A from east edge of footprint. So these years, we have been contacting Thai people, and as they are very interested in making small satellite, CubeSat, and President Dr. Hampton is a leader, and many young engineers making satellite themselves. And we are gathering some parts at Akihabara and send them to Thai, or discussion design of satellite transponder. And happily, this is Tsuji-san working for JAXA, and Ueda-san make many business trips to Thailand. So we met many times in Bangkok, and one time we talked about Phase-4A. They show very much interest in Phase-4A because of they can see stationary orbit from Thailand. This is their current status of CubeSat, designing and engineering model for transponder, but unfortunately, no launch opportunity confirmed yet. But we are talking about this. This is the university, Bangkok University. This is Bangkok central city center, but about 40 kilometers north of Bangkok. Hopefully, less noise. This is some antennas. This is very famous footprint. And Japan is out of sight, and Thailand is well below, inside of the footprint. And they estimate that 7 or some degrees, so maybe accessible from the station. This is looking west from Bangkok. So as you can see, no tall buildings. Only concern is rainforest and humidity. This antenna is for CubeSat. They are accessing CubeSats now. Because this is their very compact station, and now they are installing antennas on roof of their building. So they carry two tons of concrete weight to support antennas. So similar blocks will be used to support dish antennas. Of course, we've heard that they installed some SDR equipment already, and next time we meet at Bangkok, we'll adjust or decide of what to add for this ground station. So this is now JA1 OGZ Kaneko-san is making this unit. And Kaneko-san is contacting Ahim-san regarding these units. And this is 1.2 meter dish. And some, we are trying to make some unit or very small aperture terminal for Phase-4A. So we hope to bring all of them to Bangkok and install some ground station. Okay. So this is Bangkok, but another possibility is A2J1RL, Showa station in Antarctica. And there's already amateur radio station in Showa station, and some may have contacted this station via L10, 13, or 40. So this station is operated by Institute for Polar Research, and JAR, Japan Amateur Radio League, has special station in there. So this may be second or third our target for stations. So station is here. So we dare not install first station in Antarctica. We must learn a lot in Thailand, and after that, thinking about robustness or reliability or actual signal strength, we will try to contact organization to have such stations there. Okay. Yeah. So Qatar, Thailand, Antarctica. We hope they can talk directly via satellite in the near future. And I think even some country is out of footprint of Phase-4A, and there may be several ways to enjoy such satellite. So there may be Brazil, or there may be many African countries may have difficulty accessing Phase-4A, even with well under footprint. So we can have, we have to think about new way of enjoying this kind of high Earth orbit to enhance radio amateur activity in worldwide. Yeah, of course, I like ARIS, or we support ARIS contact or making LEO CubeSat. But most of our JAMSAT members like high Earth orbit. They can never forget AO10, 13, AO40. So we hope to support such high orbit satellites every way. Thank you very much.
Very good. Any questions for Mikio at all? I must say I had a thought just sitting there watching looking at the footprint, and is it nice to think that we are going to have, hopefully, direct satellite communications with half the world? For the last 15 odd years we've been used to doing low Earth orbit, and okay, we can speak to Europe from the UK and they can go across the States, but now we're going to go from right across the world. An interesting development. Anyway, that's my thoughts. Any other questions for any questions for Mikio at all? Okay, Mikio, very good luck with your project, and please come back next year and tell us how it's going. And thank you very much for travelling to
after
all the way to see it.
Switched on.
Yeah. Very good. Thank you very much.
Okay.